Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm going to be showing you how to break the next market direction right here on Quotex platform. For a while I've not uploaded the video. I've been going through my mentorship program, the October mentorship. I've been doing the classes for about 2 weeks now, and it has been so insightful, a lot of testimonies, and it was great. So I'm back here to make videos for you. All right, so looking at the markets on AD card, this is a very serious downtrend. I think the market has expanded a lot. So let me just look out for a good pair. Okay, on ADCHF, I think we have a signal here. We're seeing some failure pattern. The market failed to continue higher. I'm going to use 5% of my account. For 4 minutes, I'm going to sell. All right, so I took a lower option here because you can see the market was giving us higher high, higher low, but afraid to create some strong highs. And since it failed to create some strong high on the 5 minute, on the 1 minute chart, even on the 5 minutes, the previous candle was a weak green candle. So that's why I went to the lower option here. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so while the trade is running, I have something for you, or especially for the beginner traders, for those that are just joining my YouTube channel for the first time, or people that are just finding about my YouTube, and those that are registered with Quotex. So I have an offer for you. I'll be doing a live Zoom class for you, an exclusive class specifically for those that are just coming into Quotex for the first time. I'm going to teach you how to trade on the platform, teach you how to go around it, how to set up your account, and how to trade very well. And I'm going to do some live trading and signals too. You can copy my trades just for the first time, especially for those, like I said, the beginner traders on Quotex. So all you need to do is to make sure you sign up an account with my link in the description of this video. Make your first deposit and then send me a screenshot on Telegram proving that you register with my link and you've made your deposit. Then I'm going to send you a Zoom link. I'm going to add you to a group where I'm going to share the Zoom link. The class is going to be on Thursday, 12 p.m. my time. So do well to join and don't miss out. All right. So that is for those that are, especially from my Instagram account. Okay, fantastic. So this trade is running the first two candles. The market is a little bit above my entry, but we're seeing some sellers now. Okay, new 5 minutes candle just started. I think that's going to cause some sellers to come into the market. Pretty well, I'm sure sellers are going to come into the market. Okay, they're already coming in. Alright, let's see how the candle close. So do all to drop a comment on this video and hit the like button. Like and share. Tell me what you think about the video and how the channel has helped you. I really appreciate it. If it's your first time, make sure you hit subscribe. This is the best channel you can ever come when it comes to forex and binary trading. And I'm gonna be making videos about forex trading and forex beginner class, beginner tips, things that will help you get started in forex very soon. So just stay tuned. I'm already recording them, so you don't miss out. Okay, we're on the last candle, and we're still seeing some sellers. I'm sure it's going to close below my entry. This is a very good trade. It's a very good trade. I'm sure the market is going to close below my entry. All right, so we have a few seconds more. Okay, beautiful sellers entry. They brought the market lower at the last second. Okay. All right, we have less than 10 seconds. Okay, that's a good one from sellers. And that will be an item. Awesome. So you can see that was a very good trade. I feel like going with sellers again, but I'm sure this market is still going to sell for the next 4 minutes again if I should get a good entry, but I'm just skeptical. Maybe I'll wait. I'll wait and let's see how it goes. But I just know the market is going to sell, but there's something that's not really that clear to me. Okay, this guy continuously traded down. Strong sellers movement. This one is trading up from my level. I think it's giving a higher high, higher low movement there. On this one, the market is ranging. It's a range bound market here. Okay, so I'm just going to wait for a clear signal. Okay, this guy has rejected. No sellers might come in anytime soon on this market. The price action looks higher high, higher low movement even on the 5 minutes chart. So that might easily bring some sellers into the market. But instead of just waiting and looking at the market, I will pause the video and I'm going to come back when I see a more clear signal. Alright, so I'm back. This market dropped just like I expected, but I didn't take the trade. The sellers didn't break the previous low for me the way I wanted it to break the low, so that's why I didn't take the trade. But we're right here. I think the market is still selling from the 5 minutes chart. So I just need a good entry. I'm going to join with sellers, and I'm expecting the market to trade more lower because from the sign here, from that big fall, I don't think the market should be going higher again. So I think that would be a good entry. I'm going to sell. This time I'm using 8% of my account. For 4 minutes, I'm going to sell. Alright, so I took a lower option here because of the market structure now, lower low, lower high pattern. We saw a big fall from sellers, and that gave us a clear sign that the market is going to start selling. So hopefully we expect more sellers. Oh, this one, the 5 minutes is rejecting. I just hope the market don't want to consolidate and pull me in the wrong direction. But the market was meant to sell with that big fall we had from sellers. But it's all good. Let's see how the trade goes. All right, so the trade has been running, and we are just seeing weak candles on the 5 minutes chart, and sellers fail to come. So I don't know, should I say the market is ranging or it's consolidating? But I'll accept the loss. I'll look out for a better signal. I'll look out for a better signal. Okay, here the market is range bound, and this is the last candle. So that's it for this trade. I just feel the market was range bound here. If it's a trending market, the market should have sold. But it's all good. I'm going to use 10% of my account on the next trade. I'm going to recover this loss, and I'll still come back in profit. Let me just wait and wait patiently for a very good signal. Okay, here the market is range bound. Okay, so if I see a clear signal, I'm going to come back and take the trade. All right, so here we go. I'm on 80 CHF. The market is at its all-time high, but we have some levels on the 5 minutes chart. But the market has traded higher so well. I don't know if we might start getting some sellers. I would like to see a very clear confirmation, and so that's the market there on the 5 minutes chart. Until I see a very strong seller's entry, that's when I'm going to sell. But I don't know if I could buy here because the market is already very, very high. Okay, let me see if we could still get maybe another clear signal. Let's see this one. Okay, Euro GBP. I think this one looks pretty much good. We're still seeing some good signs from the 5 minutes. The buyers are getting weaker. I think this market may likely sell. Buyers are getting weaker. The market may likely sell. Without good sellers, that's a good confirmation. So for 4 minutes, okay, for 3 minutes, I'm gonna sell there with 3% of my 10% of my account. All right, so I took a lower option here because of that strong seller's entry. You can see this current seller's entry. It was just like the previous trade I took. The market failed to create a higher high. So because of that, sellers are going to come in on the next 4 minutes. I hope the next 5 minutes candle is going to be red. So because of that failure for buyers to bring up a high or close above the previous high, that's failure. So I'm expecting the market to sell. Okay, we had a sniper entry. The market is already selling. Let's see how the first two candles close. Now determine the uh, if if we're going to win the trade or not. Most of the time, if I take my trade, I like at least the first two candles going in my direction immediately. That gives me more chances and more hope that the trade is a winning trade. But I'm sure this is a very good recovery. Should be an item. Okay, first candle red. The second candle is already selling. Good seller's entry. I would like to see it break the low of that previous level. I would like to see it go below the lows. That will confirm the item. Okay, this one is now selling. Just take it off. This one is buying. Okay, it's all good. There's quite some strong buyers there. Okay, my trade is still deep in. Very good. we're getting more stronger sellers entry. I think that already confirms the ITM for this trade. That already confirms the ITM. That's a beautiful one. All right, first two candles show sellers. So you're on the last candle now. I think it's already a countdown, so we have few seconds on this one. Okay, fantastic. That's an awesome win. That's an awesome win. All right, so you can see I recovered with 10%. I just made some little profit today, and that's still good. The major thing is the consistency. So just like I said, I'm giving you guys a good offer for those that are using Quotex for the first time. If you want to join my live Zoom class with a trading signal and live trading section to learn more about Quotex, do well to use the link in the description of my video to sign up and make your first deposit, and then send me a proof that everything is sure. Then Thursday 12 p.m. we're going to come together to trade on Quotex. So hope you find this video insightful. If it's the first time, make sure you drop a comment and click the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a wonderful week. Peace. Bye for now.